I would like to explain on the startup mode, like recovery modes. Just now we talked about recovery points where we can recover our system to a five different recovery points. I mean to a five different environment. Now for each environment, we can actually set whether the Windows every time it reboots, it will recover or it will save. Save mean for any changes, any updates, any modifications towards the PC will be safe. The first one for any changes will be revert back to the recovery states. For if I choose this one save, any new changes it will save to the recovery point. Let me just show you. Now the action will be saved, so I just click apply here. Now let me first just change the desktop background. So I'd like to change to different themes. This theme now. And then say I would like to install a new program. Now I would like to install this program called Net Support Manager, the client. So I just click here. Click run. Next. Set. Next. Next. Install. So now I finish. When I finish, so you will have this Net Support Manager program. See this icon here. Now say I would like to reboot this machine. So with the safe mode, so these new changes would remain safe to the designated recovery points. Starting Windows. Okay, now we are back online. So now it's back on. This is the same recovery points. So I have this, the one that I just installed, which is Net Support Manager Client. Now I would like to show you on the other modes, which is the recover mode. So if I pick this one and I click apply, any changes, any modification will be discarded. Example, I have a new file, new RTF, and I also would like to uninstall the newly installed support manager. So I just uninstall. Supposedly in the standard environment, once we uninstall the program will be removed. Since we have picked the first option, recover mode, so these two things will be gone once I restart, and the Net Support Manager client also will be restored back. Say now I restart the machine. Okay, the window is coming out. The window is coming out. So the two files that I create, the bitmap file and the text file, is gone. And then the Netsupport Manager client is being restored back. Thank you.